Pasok. No, shoot. 1-0. Now, Escalinas. Back to Mora Sablay. Nakakuha ni Mora. Sabi kay Balud. Balud. And still, mula sa iba. Then Peralta. Nice contested. Binigay mula dito kay Guerrero. Strong counter. Football rep. Number 1. First personal Marquez. First team foul on in fact. 3-1. Ah. May team, both teams third first team foul. Mabilis. Binigay mo na dito kay sino to? Hindi, I mean yung number 11. Si Valiana, first personal, second team foul on Infan. Now, Escalinas. Tip. Nakuha na din pero Escalinas, susubok pero may foul. Number 1. Third team foul on Infan Marquez. Second personal foul. Apply. Now, Balud. Sabre. Balud. 4-2. And rebound coming in from Infan. Pablito Marco. 1 pull up for 2. And another foul. Number 5, Escalinas.
Yo, what's up? This is Alric Clutch.
Now, Escalinas binigay mo na dito kay Guerrero. Back to Balud. Balud Jr. For 2. No good. Nakuha ni Balud ulit. And Balud is 2 points. 5-1. Rasco. On shot. No good. Rebound by Balud Jr. Nakuha ni Balud. Binigay from Escalinas. Back to Guerrero on back straight. Same ball. Escalinas. Pass to Balud. Balud. And then Peralta with the steal. De Peralta. Sakto lang pa. No good. Rebound by Balud Jr. Balud. Finds pass. Binigay kay Guerrero. Guerrero open. Back to Balud. On shot. Still no good. And rebound by Balud. Napasa kay Balud ulit. Balud. 2. Guerrero no good. Last 8 to shoot. Now, Guerrero. And still from Rasco. Del Peralta. Easy 2 points. Now, Escalinas. Derecho. There's a point na yan. And rebound coming in from Rasco. Pata. Wala dito kay Baptiste. Baptiste and John. Sub. Sub break. Pacho. Pass to Balon. 4-3. Ah! A3. Mabilis. Titiba sa tres. Supply. Rebound by Escalinas. Escalinas back pass to Guerrero, 2 points. Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out in front. Lobat na yung speaker natin. Ang oras natin. Anong remaining time? Remaining time natin, 5 minutes 11. Enamer. Hindi ka daw, ako bibili. Ako. Score natin, 10-3. Grabe naman yun, pero kaso nga lang may foul. Who's foul rep? Number 20. First foul kagad mula kay Omer. Rasco sablay. Rasco ulit, and no good. And still Regacho makakuha ng bola. Regacho pass to Escanilas. And nice reverse layup. Grabe naman yan. Now, Publish. Publish is nice. Screen from Masirag. Rasco to Bira. Oh! Blocked by overpass by Jasper. And then Rasco with another putback, still 2 points. Dead tayo. Dead ball. 5 ano lang po? 5-12. 5-12. Dito lang, 5 lang, 5 lang. 5 lang po. Kasi 1-3-2 kaya eh. 1-0 tayo kanina eh. 5 lang yan, coach. Pasok ba? 5 lang, 5 lang. Publish? 12. Pasok lang eh. 12 lang, 12 lang. Nakaka-shoot sino? Okay, first points kay Hans Publish. Now, Jom. Napakagandang pasa pero sablay pa rin. De Peralta, short. And Vasco, another putback in the easy 2 points. Now, Regacho, pass to Jom. Jom, and receives it, pero Del Peralta. Time out to. 2 minutes 50.
Yan, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
Palakas ng board shot ni Guerrero. Tablay. Vasco. Mabilis. And Mabilis is first dagger 3 and it's getting a 3 points. Na Omer. Pass to Balud. 4-3. Air ball. It's still Chope pa rin ng LA. Now, Vasco. Diretso. It's a 2v1. And nice contested by Ivan Regacho. Pero nakuha ni Rain. Jambol. Let's still same ball possession. Sub. Okay, cancel. Good. Detali ng sintas. Lolo, coach. First shot from Bablis. Sobrang intense na napakainit dito sa Korean ng cover court. Yeah, still 23 seconds to shoot. And nice defense coming in from Omer. Oh my God. Score natin 14-12. Balo na game. Guerrero. Still no good. And nice defense coming in from Balud. Now, Bablis. Turn tip, Tonti alley-oop, and still no good. Another one. And good shot from number 7. It's good. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Lobat na. Regacho. Escalilas for 3. Last 40 seconds. Vasco! Grabe naman ang galaw na yun. Vasco is still another one. Last 36. Regacho. Finds pass to Guerrero. And still no good. Shot off. 10 seconds left. Jumbo. Same ball. Something is in the back. Regacho for 3. 10 seconds left. Uh, 5 seconds. Or start tayo second quarter. Pasok po, pasok po. Paano dyan, sir? Ano, walang kondisyon eh. Ay. Now, first points on to Tedilla and Sting. Alvarez. Pointing on to Bablis and still no good and another foul. Foul number 05. Dajo Tedilla. That's first personal foul. First team foul on a day. Two shots on hands of Bablis. Bablis, first throw and second throw, it's good. Dalawa. Now pointing on the Regacho. Regacho double team pero nagmamadali. Regacho, pass to Guerrero. Guerrero pointing in and out of bounds in front mo. Naman Bablis. And still by Balud. Balud and hands again with another steal. Bablis. On to Vasco. No good. And the rebound coming in from Balud. And Balud and turning on another foul. Foul number 11 Rebellion. Substitution. Rebellion walang number dito. Second team foul on Infant. Rebellion first personal foul. Nice new transition on Alvarez and Infant. Still another two. Apat ang kalabangan sa Infants. Now pointing on the Rigacho. And still it again. Umali. Dediretso na Babga. Nice pass on the Vasco. It's good. Now pointing on to Rigacho. Rigacho, today's another foul. Time out. Los Amigos. Foul number 17, Umali. Coach Bocho. Paalala lang po, both teams. Kung meron pong papasok, starting from buzzer, pasok na po. Huwag po tayo masyadong malik. Pakaras na lang po yung mga players. Habol po tayo sa oras. Salamat po. Regacho, pass to the baseline. Teadilla on to Mora. Traveling. Now pointing on to Umali. Umali binigay pa rin from number 7. Umali floats it and it's good. Now Regacho, quick pass. On to Guerrero, floats it up. No good. Guerrero pa rin. Post move. Teatilla, fourth player. Mora pa rin na makakuha ng rebound. Mora on to Regacho. On jump shot. No good. Guerrero on to another foul. Sublet. Who's ball back? Foul number 1. Subdivision. Foul number 1, Marquez. That is third personal foul. Waiting for penalty for infant. 2 shots from left Guerrero. Pasok siya. Score natin. 24-17. Mora. Pass to Picacho. On to Jesus. 3 seconds violation. Now Mali. Pass to Bablis. For 3. No good. Rebound on to Guerrero. Guerrero pass to Regacho. Regacho on to the instance. Regacho again. 30 up for 3. No good. And rebound by Bablis. Pass to Omani. Omani, nice move. The round double dribble substitution. Now on Escalilas. Tip pass. Nakuha pa rin. Rebellion, it's good. Now, Jong. No good. And third set on number foul. Foul number 24, Kenji Mora. Substitution. That is second personal foul. Second team foul on NA. Richard Floor, 26-17. Now, Mani. Pass to Marquez. Marquez again. Nice fake. Turns it up and blocked by Omar Baron Jr. Pero nakuha pa rin. And Marquez has still 2 points. Now on the Mani. And pass to Rebellion. No good. Rebellion again. Napakat ang pwesto pa Blitz. No good. On point on the Regacho. Regacho pass it up onto Guerrero on the side, and it's good. Now pointing onto Mali. De Peralta for 3. Got it. Now on Del Peralta again, pero nakuha. Umali on the side, break, no good. 31-19. Usman Whip. Subdivision. Now on Regacho. Regacho pass to Escalinas. Back on Regacho. Napakat ang peke. And Regacho board shot. It's good. Pointing onto Mali. De Peralta. 21-31. 31-21. Now Balud. Balud finds pass. All the way lang out to Jasper. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Del Peralta with the turnover of LA. And another one for the Umali on the pass break. Instead transition, no good. Rebound by Omer. Nakuha ni Escoton. Escalilas. On point. Balud trying up on the Eurostep with another foul. Foul number 19 Masiro. Penalty. That is first. Infant penalty. Kabila natin, second team foul. Your shots on Jasper Balud. Ano mga dyan? Ah. $22. Now, naman. Mile trying to catch in, pero nakuha ni De Peralta. Nice defense coming in from Escalinas, pero nakuha ni Umali again. Pass to the inside. Pasilla and that block again! May Omer Value Jr. Nakadalawa na siya mismo. 11 seconds on the shot clock. De Peralta, 4-3. And rebound from Omer. Regacho. Pass to Escalina. Toss pass to Omer and another foul. Usman Whip. Foul number 19, Masira. That is second personal foul. Two shots on Omer Value Jr. Pumasok pangalawa. Coach 24. 24. Coach 24. Coach 24. Now, Bablis. Napakagandang steal. And Escoton trying to defend. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Basso. And blocked by Escoton. And Omer get the rebound. Robin. Now, Bablis. Pass to Umali. Now pointing on to Umali and pass to Del Peralta. On side step and it's good. Timeout. And Omer, no good. Wala. Dalawa. Foul number 30, Ace Bongoloto. That is first foul. Warning for penalty. Now Bablis. Pass it on to Umali. Drive it on Vasco. And it's good. Coach, warning for penalty yung Eleo. Now still it again. And nakuha ni Bongolonta. Coming foul by number 17, Umali. That is second personal foul. Two shots from Ace Bongolonta. Curveball skin first throw from Ace. 35-24, pwede na po yung fish. And Ace has got the second one, is good. 25. Tama na Mali. Pass to Bablis. All the way up onto Basirang. Spin move. And shot. And still no good. The rebound coming in from Bongalonta. Pass to Regacho. Regacho checking the ball. And it's got another receiving. Pero nakuha pa rin. And muntik pa matama ang laptop namin. Depensa mo Bablis. 49 seconds remaining. 49 seconds. Now pointing on to Bablis. Bablis on the Euro step. No good. And the rebound coming in from the infant. Masira kay block again by Omer. It's got the 3 blocks of the game. Now Bongalonta. Trying to drive. On the layup. No good. Para ba Escoton? No good again. Alvarez. Post move and block again by Omer. And Rasco saves it up in another follow-up. 15 seconds. Last 13 seconds. Now, Palud. And 38 could have been another foul. Foul number 19, Masip. That is third foul. Two shots from Omer Butler Jr. And gaya nga rin nangyari kay Ace. First throw on Omer, still air ball.
Seconds, 5 seconds.
Omer, a second one. No good. Rebound by Escoton. It's good. End of the second quarter. The official score of 37-27. 10-point lead on Infant.
Yan, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go! Playmaker. Let's go. Get to
Now start tayo sa ating third quarter and then Fan takes the ball. Umali. Now pass it up. Mula dito kay Umali again. Now Marquez. And trying to open. Twist. Hey, saktakan! Yes! Dapat. Rep! Time out mo na, Rep! Rep! Wala pa, wala pa. Ano nangyari? Accountan mo, Coach, 40. 40 sa infan, tapos 27 dito sa, Ellen. Okay na, okay na. Escoton! Now, Bubblies again. And still no good. I'm pointing out of bounds. Pero Escanitas pa rin ang makakuha ng bola and pass to Balud. Now Balud and still by Umali. Now pointing. Umali again. Nice pass coming in from number 11. And it's good. Now Guerrero. Pointing out to Umali again. Pass to Ortillada. Balud. Shot is off. Now Umali again. And pass it through the air. Now Rasco on the steal. It's driving a shot. No good. Umali. Points here. And rebound on Balud. And still out of bounds. Now Bablis again. And rebound on Balud. Catch it up onto Escalinas. Escalinas pass to Guerrero on drive and another foul. Foul number 1, Marquez. That is fourth personal foul. First team foul on the foul. 2 shots on Lem Guerrero. Now first shot on Lem. Babawi sila ng paunti-unti on coming in from LA. And Lem on to the second one. And not good. Rebound by Mora. And Mora with another putback. It's 2 points. Now Rasco. Rasco finds it up pass to another Tibaliana. And another no. Now Escalila pointing. Pass to Mora. On to Guerrero. And then lays it up. And rebound by Balud. No good. Balud again. And no good for another one. Tibaliana with the rebound. It's not chasing down. And Ortillada with the steal. That one, Ibablis. Rasco. No good. And the rebound coming in from Mora. Pass to Ortillada. Orteliano on lays it up and no good. And it's got another one and it's good. Now Bablis. On to Mali. Throws it. Rasco. Blocked by Balud. Now on. Guerrero. It's good. Time out. In fact.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão no bate. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão no bate. I'm about to click, I don't wanna shit, I'm about to click.
Now, unseen. Playmakers. And another one is still no good. And the rebound coming in from Homer Barlett Jr. Now, Escalilas, alley-oop, and napalayo na pasa. Now, Umali. Pass it on to Bablis. And still no good. And the rebound coming in from Rebellion and Orteliana with the save. Orteliana with a layup and blocked by Umali. Subdivision. Line. Low.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Uy.
Line mode.
And a ground single. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock. 9 seconds. Orteliana for three. And the rebound taps it in on Balul and still save ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock. 14 seconds. Now Boba. And turnover again. Umali. On the jump. And rebound by Omer. Now number 45, tip it out. That is first personal foul. Second team foul of the foul. Now Escalilas. Pass to Omer. Omer finds pass. Binigay ba coming from Guerrero. And Guerrero and another pointing on another one. And nice IQ. Same ball possession. Shoot out and the shoot. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Now pointing. Escalidas. Ball to shoot. And more no good. And another one. And it's still it. Rebound by Bablis. Bablis to Mani for three. And another one falls foul. Foul on number 8. Let's get it. That is first foul. First team foul on LA. 2 shots on the money. $44 lang. At oo nga pala. O, 45. And pointing yung another foul again. Now number 45, take him out. That is set. 13 foul on that foul. Masyado ka mainit, bata. Subukan mo na. Guerrero for three. And it's good. Three. Sino? Guerrero. Lang. Nakapabilis. Traveling Vinings. Now, Escanilas, tinatao-tao na mismo ang mga players ng LA. Escoton on the Regacho for two. No good. Balud, and it's good. Coach 39. And another still again from Balud. Now Balud. Aliu on to Guerrero. It's good. Hey, defense lang, pare. Now pointing on to Bablis. Bablis again. Now Balud open for the jumper, no good. And rebound on to Bablis. Pass to Omali. Omali and nice pass to Remember and another foul. That is foul number 8, Nagdaren. Substitution. That is second personal foul. 13 foul in the day. Shots on the bell. Nabibinig ko yung nabibinig ko na yung tunog ng battery low. Walang pumasok, coach, Now Jones. Pass to Regacho. And the spin move is still no good and another foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Siya daw. Red was foul, Red. Foul on number 19, Matira. Fourth personal foul. Substitute. Salaw. Tama. Infant warning for penalty. Now, Bablis. Pass it up onto Rebellion again. No good. Masira. Offensive foul. Number 19, Masira. Wait, Masira has been 5 fouls. Follow. Now, Escanilas. Medyo nakasuha ng masyadong seryoso dito ang infant. Publish on the fast break. It's good. Now on the Regacho. Pass it on to Balud. Balud to Guerrero for 3. And a rebound from Bomani. Bomani and still by Escanilas. Escanilas back to Escoton and it's good. 44. Umali, jump around, they're still no good. Subdivision. Penalty. Penalty by penalty. Penalty for second personal foul. Penalty. Warning, third team foul. Two shots are just very valid. And miss another one, lane violation. May foul, rep. Rep may foul. Wala pa po. Rep may foul. One minute. Now on Omali on the shot. And Omali takes it up and it's good. 50 seconds. Now another one set by Omali again. Omali and what a good layup and follow up coming in. Number 10, it is good. Sampo. Seconds left. Team play, 4-3. And the rebound coming in from Escoton. Contest again na makakuha ng rebound. Bob Blaze on the spot break, no good. Out of bounds, save on. 16 seconds. Now, si Baliana, no good. 10 seconds left. Guerrero, on to the shot. 5 seconds. Money. 3 seconds. Bob Blaze. That doesn't go. In the third quarter, the score 54-44. 10-point lead on the foul.
Playmaker. Let's go. Get it dito. Una nakaganyan. Bakit dito?
Now, final quarter is on the way. Malu, pass to Escalilas. But shot is still no good. Now, Umali, alley-oop onto the Blaze. And Mora touching it and has turned it off and LA another one. May level pa ba, Ansin? Now Escalilas. Pass it on to Guerrero. Guerrero and calling an offensive foul. Stop it. Offensive foul by number 8, Ned Guerrero. That is third. Now, napakagandang nagigit ng depensa. Nasa LA ang possession. Escalilas. Trying to open. Pass it on to Omer. All the way up coming in from Escalilas again. 3 seconds violation. Now pointing on to Peralta. Binigay kay si Balyana. And nice transition coming in from Marquez. And it's good. Now Escanilas. Pass to Balut. 4-2. No good. And he's got another rebound and over takes it off. Now Vasco. On the move and jumps out there. Another counted at the foul. Foul on number 24, Kenji Mura. And his third personal foul. First team foul on LA. Bonus shot from Kia Vasco. Now coming in from Amora and steal it again. Pass to Omali. Omali turned it. No good. And rebound coming in from now Balud. Katalapeke. And Balud then not again. And Omer counted and that's a foul. Foul on number 11. Sibalian. Official score 48. Official score 48-59. Now Balud. Still no good. Guerrero. And still a good to it. 9-point lead. 59-50. With 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Rasco. Pass it on to Del Peralta. No good. Attack one Marquez. 30-second shot clock. Substitution. Big foul by number 24, Kenji Moore. That is fourth personal foul. Second team foul on LA. Apat na si Kenji ah. Time out nila, tatlo. Oh, sa infant, dalawa. Rasco. Change the shoot. Na Marquez. Ipinasa bola dito kay another one. Bakit? Tikita bet. Out of bounds. Nasa may small substitution. Coach, second team foul LA. First team foul infant. Escalilas first. Now Jom. Pass it on to Omer. And shoot. Binigay yung bola dito kay Regacho. Regacho throws it in and it's good. Now, De Peralta for three. And rebound on to Balud. Now, Omer. Pass to Escanilas. Tenshi. Binigay from Jom. 5-second shot na. Guerrero. 4-2. And rebound coming in from Rebellion. De Peralta floats. No good. Rebound on Regacho. Regacho on foul. Counted from Ivan Regacho. Substitution. Talking foul by number 45, De Peralta. That is third personal foul. Regacho for three. Count it. $55. Score 59-55. Publish for three. And it's got. Publish again. Rasco on shot. And rebound by Balud. Pass it up on the Regacho. Escalinas drops fake and it's good. Five minutes and 10 seconds. Dalawa timeout. Now Bablis. All the way up and block again coming in from Balud. And another one. Over coming in block. Now Escalinas tries drive. Regacho takes it on another foul.
Playmaker. Let's go.
On the referee for unsportsmanlike behavior number 10, Hans Publis. Time out! Los amigos! Kasama sa personal yun? Bablis. Sino yung, wait. Sino yung foul sa shooting? Bablis. Now Bablis. That is second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty na coach. Two shots from Ivan Regacho. And first shot from Ivan, it's good. Isang pasok pa. Tie game. Isang technical. Tapos free throw, dalawa. Coach Pocho, one technical free throw and shooting foul. Coach Pocho, one technical free throw, shooting foul. Running for technical from Bablis. And Regacho, tie game. Now Bablis, masyado na mainit ang LA. Now pointing. Puto Mali. Pass to Rebellion. Rebellion on to Marquez. And rebound coming in from Guerrero and Balud. Wins securing the ball. Now on Guerrero, pinasa pa rin from Regacho. Balud Jr. for the lead. No good. Now, on the blue screen by Marquez. Pero nakuha ni Omani. Now, Blasco. Napakagandang peke. Sumabay ang dalawa. Blasco pa rin makakuha ng rebound. And still save it. Omani. On to the blitz. No good. Rebound by Escalilas. Now Escalilas pass it on to Guerrero and turns it on to another foul. Foul on number 10, that's Madrix. That is third personal foul. Penalty. Two shots from Len Guerrero. And missed on the first one. And Liam missed on the second one. Now, Palud for the lead. No good. And he's got another rebound. Palud again. And drop pass on to Jasper. No good. Now pointing on to Bablis and drop shot. No good. Now he's got the rebound. Umani. Turning to pay. Jumping. And still no good. And the one Bablis pa rin. Now Bablis for three. Ah! That's 3 minutes. Guardiola for defense check. Guerrero. Spin move. And still no good. Out of bounds. Handball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock. 14 seconds. Over. And count it. Usman Webb. Usman Webb. Number 12, Rebel. That is fourth personal foul. On 62 official score. Now, Bablis. Bablis, patay ka Gacho. And another foul. Foul on number 23, Omar Palo Jr. Timeout. Los amigos. That's his second personal foul. Dalawa. Check, 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 check. After the ball game, remaining time 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Official score all 62. Second team foul pa lang, LA. Coach Macho. Rebellion at feedback. Nakuha mo lang dito kay Bualag Jr. Binigay mo lang yung Gacho. Gacho, pass to Escalinas. Open! Onto Omer! Got it! Onto Manny again. Umani, double team, and blocked by Menacho. That's 2 minutes. Subdivision.
Nick was charged badly.
Mira. Now, Bablis. De derecho. Umani again. Logan. Megacho, it's good. Time out. Reserve time out tayo. Now, Rebellion. That's it. Rato. Escalinas with the rebound. Pass it on to over. And no good. Escalinas. No good. Now, napakagandang peke. Rasto. Traveling. Time out. Rep. Rep.
Blue team defeat. Round out.
Playmaker. Let's go. Get to dito. Una nakaganyan. Baka dito.
Six to two. Regacho trying to drive. And blocked by Vasco. Out of bounds, same ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. 36 seconds. 36 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Isa na lang timeout nyo. Both teams. May manood dito, Coach Bocho. 10 seconds to shoot. And foul. Penalty damage. Our number 4, Vasco. That is first. Two shots are them given. Both teams, isang timeout na lang po. Guerrero missed the 2 free throws. Out of bounds, same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Remaining time, 32 seconds. With a score of 66-63. Los Amigos lead by 3. Go! False score.
Was charged badly.
False score. Third team foul by Kenji. 30 seconds. Now still, 15 to shoot. Ibinigay mo natin kay Pablis. Pablis, and 30 in. And intercept by Balud. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds. Timeout! In fact, no timeout left. In fact, no timeout left. Wala na pong timeout in fact. Huwag mo ulit pa tayo. Okay, pasir. Okay, pasir. Now back to the ball game. Play time 19 seconds. 19.6 tenths of the second remaining. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds. 19.6 tenths on the second remaining. Score 66-63. Los Amigos lead by 3. Now the place throws it. Bam! Time out. Time out! Los Amigos! Both teams, no time.
Yo, what's up? This is Alric Clutch. The live commentary ng ating Triple Threat Basketball League. At gusto ko sana kayo na imbitahan sa papating na Friday, Saturday, Sunday for the games of Triple Threat. At iniimitahan namin kayo na manood at sumali sa panibago nating season. And please, supportahan po natin ang bawat team sa inyo ng mga alamat at syempre sa inyo din ng mga pambato. And see you on to the next one.
Still 10 seconds. Balud on to Balud Jr. Escalilas, 5 seconds remaining. 3 seconds. It's cut. Cut. End of regulation. We are cut to the overtime.
Yeah. ベイコの花が咲き風を呼び嵐来たまるでザ・ブームディエゴに会った時 LA で島歌を聴かせたらWhat the fuck is that ってなってすぐに料理したビーチ島に持ち帰って
Down by Balud. Reduction. Still Reduction pa rin. Pass it up on to Balud Jr. Out of bounds. Simo. Now, Escalinas. That's it. Reduction for the lead. Ah! Sibaliana on goal. No good. Rebound by Balud. Out of bounds. Seymour. Mga bata. Shit. Now, open. Pag-please again. And the Vasco Palo goal. There it goes. A jump ball. Los Amigos ball. Now, Escalinas. Play Cacho. Another one. And rebound. Save it by Guerrero. And Palo tayo sa save. Pero nakuha na naman ulit ng infra. Pag-please. No good. So, now Joe. Flash to Palo. Gravity. Now, Umani. Umani, basketball, please. From place again. On the drive and attacks. And the rebound by Megacho para ng Wally Carrasco. For the lead, no good. Si Baliana. On to Umani on the lead. Level siya. $70-69. Now Joe. Hitting the ball. John on the middle section. Escalinas. No good. And rebound by Sibaliana. That's it. On to Umani. Umani on the drive and block. And another one. And blocked by over by Ronald foul. Something is now number 20, Overbody Jr. That is third foul. Wording for penalty. Two shots for Kian Vasco. Warning for continuous pa rin yan, coach. Warning for penalty na yung ano. Wala. For 71, 69. Escalinas. Regacho. Back to Escalinas again. And floated. Back to Guerrero. It's good. On 71. Now Poblis. 4-3. Foul coming in from Bora. As to Escalinas. Escalinas and another interception coming in from Umani. Umani on the drum. It's good. Now on Father Jr. Finds pass. Pinigay kay Regacho. 10 to shoot. Pass to Guerrero. On close. And rebound by Rebellion. Rebellion pero nakuha ni Regacho. Pero nakuha pa rin ng pass. Umani. Another foul. Out on number 8. Then Guerrero penalty. That is fourth personal foul. Two shots on the mark. 74-71. 3.8. Escalinas. Bigay kay Guerrero. Guerrero, lose it. Pero nakuha na pa rin. Out of bounds, it back. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Now, Vasco, Brandon, it's you. Now, Boga. Once pass to Escalina. Escalina back to Regacho. Pwede yung Regacho again. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds. Pero nakuha ni Wally. Wally on the last goal. It's good. Time out. Time out. Los amigos. So the whole game. Time 23 seconds.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa.
Regacho. Pass to Escalinas. Regacho again. Ibigay ko natin kay Boga. Now, Wally. Finds it. It's good. Regacho on the line. For the 11-1. Sa'yo, yun, coach. Good shots on Boga. Still to go. 5 seconds. In fact, the spring of the state with a final score of 80-71.